Hey there, friends. I just wanted to pop on here and show you something that we're doing for when school gets out. They're called Summer Learning Bundles. So I've created a few examples here for you, and these are going to be available on our website, or you can call and order them here at the store. So this is the one that I did for a child that is getting ready for kindergarten. So they're going to get a summer book and a geography for kindergarten, and I chose a beginning phonics learn by sticker book, also some flashcards on decoding words, and this kit is an art focus, so it's going to have a learn to draw kit. Every kit will have a fidget and 2 pencils. So how this works is you'll be able to go online and select the grade that you would like for your child, and then you'll be able to answer some questions about, do you want an art kit or do you want a science kit? And do you want, what kind of focus do you want? Do you want language arts or do you want math? And then we will pick them according to what you ask for. So here's an example of a child that is going into 4th grade. So this would be the book for the summer that they would need to use. And maybe they need a little bit of extra help with reading. So we pulled this one. And maybe a math game focusing on money, a fidget, a comic book kit, that's for art, and some pencils. All right, and last one I would like to show you is for a child who is going into 5th grade. So this is a summer bridge book and a National Parks of the USA activity book. So it's going to have some geography in it, but also some fun puzzles and things to do. And a math perplexers book. This is going to be for a child who maybe just loves math, a little bit of math puzzles, a multiplication game, and this one is a science focus. So this has a little science kit in it, and a fidget, whoops, and 2 pencils. So what you will pay is $50 per kit. We will go off of what you've asked for, but also add some things in to make the value $60. And we can either deliver these to you, or you can pick them up in store after school gets out. So we're thinking maybe like they'd be ready June 17th, 18th, 19th, somewhere in there. So these are called Summer Learning Bundles, and you can order them today and we'll get them ready for you. Because we know that if kids just do a little bit of work over the summer, it really helps when they go into the next grade. Thanks for watching.